Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a game in Roblox. In order to make a game, you have to go to Roblox Studios. To do that, go to the search panel and type Roblox Studio. Then click Open. Then the Roblox Studios will sign into your Roblox account. Then click on New. Now choose from any template you want. I'll choose the base template. Now the base template has loaded. Now let's add some objects in the game, like some cars. And the cars have been added. After that, go to the file option and click on Publish to Roblox. Give your game a name. I'll just type Kraken's Game. And in the description, you can give some details about the game you're making. Then click on Create. After that, your game will reload. Just wait a bit. Now, in order to share your game, you need to make the game public. To do that, go to Settings. In the Permissions tab, you will find the permission menu. Just click on Public. And now share the game. Copy the link. And if you put the link in your browser, you'll see that your game has been published and everyone can play the game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.